Kafrema.
Imagine sleepless night because of the noise made by these baby owls. I had to do everything possible to get them out of the rooftop. They had nested, or their mother nested on the rooftop, and I had to remove them from the rooftop. They look very scary. The baby owls have some hair on the skin, on the fur, or the feathers, which are very shocking, and if you breathe them, they make you cough. These baby owls, I had to remove them from the roof, and they seem very big with scary faces. Owls eat mice or small rabbits, even the big rats. They fly very silently. I had to take them out of the roof to the forest nearby, or a nearby vegetation. They make very queer noise at night, making the night, and you cannot sleep at night because of their noise. They are very scary and very brave. They fly very silently and they are very secretive. Tell me your experience in your community with these birds also. Some people say they are bad omen. I don't know. They have some superstitious theories or old tales about owls, how they are used by witches, but I think it's only because of their ugly faces. They look like mouse, not like birds. They're like an animal face, and their eyes, when they face you, they look very scary. There are three baby owls, and their mother, I didn't see their mother. If you are still watching this video, please comment below what stories you have heard in your community about owls. I have never seen an owl during the day, or their babies, or their, we call them babies or chicks. They are very big, and these are only about 4 weeks, about a month old. Very big and very strong, and they have very strong claws or feet. They grab everything. If you try to touch it, their defense is not the beak, but the feet. They grab whatever you are throwing at them. Get them from the small opening on the roof. It was not easy, but I managed. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please comment below what is your experience with owls, or the stories you have heard about the owls.
Please
I didn't kill
subscribe.
them, I just